Hey, Bryant with Harvest Tech back at the shop here in Hudson, Wisconsin. Quick reminder for all of those that have struggled applying hay preservative this last year. For model year 25, we're going to be adding a simple reminder on some of our key components, including our flow meters and our pumps. These reminders for these tags are simply going to advise on the information available for proper warranty on our components. We know there's a lot of inferior hay preservatives on the market that are a lot more corrosive than the Harvest Tech Baler's Choice, but if you're running Harvest Tech applicators, we really encourage you to use the Harvest Tech Baler's Choice hay preservative or any of our other brands of products. We got plenty of product here in the Hudson location ready to fulfill your winter and upcoming 2025 needs. But for general information, our $300 pumps, our $750 flow meters on our automatic applicators need to be running the correct product in order for us to properly warranty. So if you have any questions on any of the Harvest Tech applicators or the Baler's Choice hay preservative by Harvest Tech, give us a call at the office. We'll be happy to help.